Welcome back guys, another short tutorial. In this lecture we will talk about the revision cloud, which is here left side the panel, and you can find out from here. Okay, so there's a two method to make the revision cloud. One is freehand like this, but it's not perfectly coming according to our need, look like embossing this one. So the nice way of that, so for example, this is my patio, here is my vision, for example, in this area. So I will do, I will take the rectangle, then I will press in the vision cloud. Alright, so here the option is object, so I will click on object and here go. So you can see it's nice, and in according to our need and according to our object, I have this clouded. So another thing is for example, we don't want to use a rectangle and something areas like this wall. So here we can do another thing, we can use a polyline like this around. Alright, like this we can place polyline around our modification or revision area. Again we will click on the revision cloud, and again we use object. So click on it and enter, and here we have the revision cloud, same. And another style for the vision cloud, for example, we do some another shapes. Let's do rectangle, circle, and polygons. So 6 for example, enter, and circle. Alright guys, so again I will click on revision cloud, and here is the style which is normal and calligraphy. So that style is calligraphy that I did before, so I turn on normal one, and again I will choose the object. Alright, so you guys can see we have nice cloud in circle, and again hit enter to active same command. So here is another option is arch length. Arch length, this is how long of this arch we want. So we can right now it's fixed on 300 millimeter, so you can change it according to your need. So let's change it, and I will show you what is meaning of that. So I will change it to 900 and 2 time enter. Again we will use the object and click this rectangle. Alright guys, so this was the tutorial about quick tutorial about the revision cloud, how we can use the revision cloud according to our need. I hope guys you like this tutorial, and please share me your comment, and if you have any comment, any question, write in down in comment box. I will reply as soon as possible.